Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of one of the most stylish celebrities around, the stunning Ramya Pandian. Known for her impeccable fashion choices, Ramya effortlessly blends comfort and style. Let's take a closer look at her fashion diary. Her casual style is all about comfort without compromising on fashion. Whether it's a pair of ripped jeans with a trendy top or a simple yet elegant jumpsuit, she nails the casual chic look effortlessly. Minimal accessories and a pair of stylish sneakers often complete her laid-back yet fashionable ensemble. When it comes to red carpet appearances, the actress is nothing short of a showstopper. From glamorous gowns to sleek cocktail dresses, she knows how to make a statement. Bold colors, intricate details, and elegant silhouettes, her red carpet wardrobe is a testament to her sophisticated taste in fashion. Ramya looks absolutely stunning in traditional attire. Whether it's a silk sari or a lehenga, she effortlessly exudes grace and elegance. Her choice of vibrant colors and tasteful accessories perfectly complements her traditional looks, making her a style icon for many. Her street style game is on point. From trendy oversized jackets to edgy graphic tees, she adds a touch of swagger to her everyday looks. Mixing and matching different elements, she brings a youthful energy to her street style, proving that fashion is all about expressing personality. Ramya effortlessly combines fitness and fashion with her athleisure choices. Whether she's hitting the gym or enjoying a casual day out, her athleisure game is strong. From chic sports bras paired with high-waisted leggings to trendy sneakers, she proves that you can be both comfortable and stylish while staying active. The beauty often incorporates flowy dresses, floral prints, and fringe details into her wardrobe. Her boho chic looks radiate a free-spirited vibe, showcasing her versatility in embracing different styles with ease. Ramya's mastery of monochrome outfits is truly commendable. Whether it's an all-black ensemble for a sophisticated look or a bold monochromatic color palette, she knows how to make a powerful fashion statement. Her attention to detail and the right choice of accessories complete the monochrome magic. Accessories can elevate any outfit, and Ramya understands this well. From statement earrings to chic handbags, she knows how to pick the perfect accessories to complement her look. Whether it's a classic watch or trendy sunglasses, her accessory game is always on point. Ramya Pandian is not just a style icon but also an advocate for sustainable fashion. Often spotted in eco-friendly fabrics and upcycled outfits, she leads by example, proving that fashion can be both trendy and environmentally conscious. Her commitment to sustainability adds another layer to her already impressive fashion repertoire. What sets Ramya apart is her fearlessness when it comes to experimenting with fashion. She seamlessly blends different styles, creating unique fusion looks that grab attention. Whether it's combining traditional elements with modern silhouettes or playing with contrasting patterns, her experimental approach to fashion is truly inspiring. The actress effortlessly incorporates seasonal styles into her wardrobe. Be it oversized blazers, bold prints, or trendy accessories, she stays on point with what's hot in the fashion world. Her ability to adapt to changing trends while staying true to her personal style is a testament to her fashion-forward mindset. The actress effortlessly embraces global fashion trends, showcasing her flair for international styles. Whether it's a sleek Parisian-inspired ensemble or a bold New York street-style look, she proves that her fashion influence knows no borders. Her ability to seamlessly incorporate diverse fashion elements adds an exciting global dimension to her wardrobe. The actress frequently channels retro vibes in her fashion choices. From vintage dresses with a modern twist to statement accessories reminiscent of bygone eras, she brings back the classics in a way that feels fresh and relevant. Her creativity extends beyond wearing stunning outfits. She's also a DIY fashionista. From customizing her clothes to creating unique accessories, she demonstrates a hands-on approach to fashion, inspiring her followers to express their individuality through personalized style. She uses fashion as a powerful form of expression. Whether it's promoting body positivity, advocating for social causes, or supporting local artisans, her fashion choices often carry meaningful messages, making her a role model for those who believe in the impact of style beyond aesthetics. Her fashion journey wouldn't be complete without acknowledging her dynamic hair and makeup transformations. From sleek ponytails to bold red lips, she uses hairstyles and makeup as essential elements to elevate her looks, proving that attention to detail goes a long way in defining one's style. The beauty often collaborates with renowned fashion brands, bringing her unique style to exclusive collections. These partnerships showcase not only her influence in the fashion industry but also her ability to curate and contribute to the creation of stunning pieces that resonate with her personal style. Every fashion icon has their signature pieces, and Ramya is no exception. Whether it's a specific pair of statement earrings, a classic handbag, or a distinctive style of sunglasses, she incorporates these signature elements into her outfits, creating a consistent and recognizable fashion identity. Ramya engages with her fans on social media, creating a virtual fashion community. From responding to fashion queries to sharing outfit details, she connects with her audience, inspiring them to explore their unique styles and fostering a sense of inclusivity in the fashion conversation. Her travel wardrobe is a testament to her versatility. Comfortable yet stylish airport looks, breezy vacation outfits, and effortlessly chic sightseeing ensembles, she demonstrates how to stay fashion-forward while on the go. The actress often uses her fashion choices to advocate for social issues. Be it wearing sustainable brands, promoting local artisans, or supporting inclusive fashion, she intertwines her passion for style with a commitment to making a positive impact in the world. Ramya fearlessly embraces gender-fluid fashion. Whether it's rocking tailored suits with a feminine touch or experimenting with androgynous styles, she challenges stereotypes, encouraging her followers to express themselves authentically. Ramya Pandian has transcended borders, becoming a notable fashion influencer not just in her home country but around the world. Her social media presence and fashion choices have resonated globally, influencing trends and inspiring fashion enthusiasts everywhere. The beauty effortlessly transitions through seasons, showcasing her adaptability in fashion. From cozy winter layers to breezy summer dresses, she embraces each season with a distinctive flair, proving that style is not confined to a particular time of year. Ramya is not just about mainstream fashion, she actively collaborates with emerging designers, bringing attention to fresh and innovative perspectives in the fashion industry. These collaborations not only diversify her wardrobe but also empower and uplift rising talents in the fashion world. The actress embraces technology by participating in virtual runway events and digital fashion weeks. This forward-thinking approach allows her to engage with a global audience while staying at the forefront of the ever-evolving fashion landscape. The actress seamlessly blends fitness wear into her daily wardrobe, proving that athleisure isn't just for workouts. From stylish yoga pants paired with casual tops to incorporating sporty elements into street style, she effortlessly marries fitness and fashion in a way that inspires a healthy and active lifestyle. When it's time to party, Ramya unleashes her inner vintage glam. Think bold retro patterns, elegant A-line dresses, and classic accessories that transport us to a bygone era. Her retro glamour choices for parties reflect not only her appreciation for timeless style but also her ability to inject fun into formal occasions. The actress goes beyond fashion for its own sake, she uses her style to support charitable causes. Whether it's wearing clothing lines that contribute to charity or actively participating in fashion fundraisers, she exemplifies how fashion can be a powerful force for good. She takes her passion for fashion a step further by collaborating with educational institutions and industry professionals. By sharing her insights and experiences, she contributes to the growth and education of aspiring fashion enthusiasts, emphasizing the importance of knowledge and collaboration in the fashion world. The actress fearlessly challenges conventional fashion norms, embracing unconventional styles that make a statement. From asymmetrical silhouettes to avant-garde accessories, she showcases a bold and experimental side, encouraging her followers to step out of their fashion comfort zones. Her fashion collaborations extend beyond designers. She collaborates with artists, photographers, and creatives from various fields. These partnerships result in visually stunning and unique fashion campaigns that blur the lines between fashion and art, reflecting her commitment to embracing creativity in all forms. Ramya's commitment to personal growth extends to her style. Periodically, she takes on style evolution challenges, intentionally changing her aesthetic to reflect a new chapter in her life. These transformations not only keep her style fresh but also resonate with fans navigating their own journeys of self-discovery. The actress integrates smart fabrics, wearable tech, and futuristic accessories into her outfits. Her tech-savvy fashion choices exemplify the evolving landscape of the fashion industry, where innovation meets style. And there you have it, a glimpse into Ramya Pandian's diverse and fabulous fashion choices. Whether it's casual, red carpet, traditional, or street style, she knows how to slay every look. Let us know in the comments which of Ramya's fashion moments is your favorite. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.